her natural environment, attacking her pillow. No, Rainy, don't eat that. Come here. Stomach tickles, stomach rubs. Oh no. Don't bite my phone again. She's beautiful, isn't she? Don't. No, stop. 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 She likes to bite her dog. Stop eating that. No. Bad. No. Can I pet you? No. Don't move my stuff. Right here. I want to pet you. But anytime I try, you try to attack me. And that's not nice. Rainy, what do you have to say about that? What do you have to say? No, don't chew on that. No, 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 no. It's your doggy bed. You don't eat your doggy bed. Hey, she's got an interest in my phone again. Sit down, Rainy. Like, this is the most she's been acting. No. What did you just do? What did you do, Rainy? Oh, jeez, the sun. Looks like a freaking ball of lightning right here. Come here. There we go. Okay, let's go outside again. Oh, jeez. Oh, no, I locked the dang door. Come here. So you need to go poop, or do your duty, Rainy. Do your duty. Go out here. Just no. Do your duty. Do your duty. Do your duty, Rainy. Come on, you have to really like. What is you? Do you not? Do your duty. Do your duty. Do your duty. She doesn't want to do her duty. I don't think. She likes running around. You want me to get that off for you? I can help you. Wow. Hey, Rainy, don't bite me. I was trying to save you. Hey, Rainy. Rainy. Get that. Rainy. Rainy. You don't eat sticks. You don't eat sticks. Rainy. 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 Rainy, come here. Jeez, what is wrong with you? Come on. Yeah, there we go, girl. I think she still has this stick attached to her, but what is she doing? Come on, let's pet her. Let's try to pet her. Oh. Please look at me. Please look at me. Uh-oh. That didn't sound good. She's scared of that. You want to go inside? Do you want to go inside? Do you want to go inside? Nope. No, you don't. Where are you going? What is it that you want me to do here? I'll pet you. I'll pet you. Pet you. And scratch behind your ears. I mean, it's the best I can do in this kind of situation. Rainy? Come on, let's go, Rainy. That's fun. You're so cute. Want me to try to pet you or no? What is it? Why are you? Are you okay? There's some noises whenever she's coming. Are you alright, Rainy? No, she's drinking water. You want in? Okay, let's go in, Rainy. Yeah. Okay, everyone, come in, Rainy. Rainy? You must be really, really, really tired. Oh, I'm so sorry, Rainy. You act cute sometimes and then you try to do this. What is wrong?
Did you lock the back door?
I'm taking a video.
Oh, hi, Rainy.
Hi, Rainy.
Did you lock the back door, bud?
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
I have taken the whole video of Rainy. Okay, bye, guys.